Hello guys, Mehul back in with another new video, and today I have a blogging platform. Yes, it's a really simple kind of looking blogging platform, but you may ask what is different in it. Like we have blogging platform like Medium, and if you wanna say like there is also open source alternatives like Ghost where you can host your own. But in it, this blogging platform is kind of different in many of the features they are providing, or even if being an open source thing, and like the whole thing of it, like whole uh, positioning of it is little bit different. So let's see what we have today, and then let me give you an overview of how this platform gonna work, or where it will fit, or how you should use it and all. So let's get started. So today we have Letterpad, kind of a new generation of blog publishing platform, and it's also open source. Okay, and as you can see, Letterpress has minimal footprint in terms of features and are the best suited for personal blogs. So right away they are telling you this is the best for personal blogs. But rather than viewing all of those, let's just get straight into the comparison of it with other blog posting platform right now. Then we will come to like these features. Okay, so Letterpad is paywall and pop-ups. There's nothing as such thing. So that's great. And you get a markdown editor that is really important for making or configuring content. In Medium you don't have it. In Medium you have really like a different kind of a interface to write down things. But I really like Medium's format, to be honest. It like feels good. You can obviously get that they have used all a lots of UX studies when building Medium's platform. Then we have syntax highlighting that Medium doesn't have, but this is something I really need in Medium. I don't know why Medium doesn't have it, because sometimes you like to highlight some of the portions of your blog. Okay, so that's one other thing. Blog appearance and customization. Medium have a little bit of control over customization. Ghost have a lot of control over customization because it's first of all it's a open source, and another thing is you can design custom themes for your Ghost, or like purchase themes as well. Both of them works. Then we have creating static pages. So obviously in Medium you will not create static pages, but because obviously they have their own kind of set. But in a publication you can have that about section only. uh in Ghost you have all of them, like you can create static pages, that's not an issue. Shared pro the way that is same over everywhere. Community, so this is something you will be needing, to be honest. I also know that, uh, but not necessarily. Okay, you can live without community feature as well. And if you are building just personal blogs, you don't actually need it. And then we have open source. Yeah, obviously this is as well open source. Analytics, you don't have it right now. This is the most important feature, I would say, for any kind of platform, as if a blog, because it gives you the overview of your blog's performance and how it's going on and all. Now technologies they have used over here, they have also mentioned that Next.js, Prisma, GraphQL, React, Apollo client for GraphQL, and Tiny, I think Tiny MCU for what you see, what you get editor. Yeah, WSGI, something like that, editor. You can get that. Then here is GitHub link. You can contribute to it. Here is Letterpad client as well. So yeah, you can get the GitHub link for the client side app as well. Okay. Here is a demo. Here is a demo. As you can see, it looks and feel great, and you can edit it as well. You can gather email ID for your newsletter list, and yeah, as they have said, you have the control to add static pages as well. So here you have page, some page, I think. Okay, here they have like given example of what are the things that you can use. Obviously you can use codes. In order to use that, you have to use GitHub gist, and I would say use carbon.sh. That's much more better. Then we have tables, images, links, and a whole lot of things that you can see over here. Now, what are the features of it? Let's come to features. First thing, fast and flexible. That doesn't make sense. Whatever. Actually, they are using GraphQL. That's why they are saying they are fast and flexible. But it's not necessary. REST APIs are also great. Then integration. It can easily be integrated with Cloudinary images, like Cloudinary for image and CDN, Unsplash, MySQL, Postgres, SQLite, Sentry, Google Analytics, etc. So it can be integrated with Google Analytics. So basically we have control to have some analytics data, but not built in. That's the thing. And sorry for running, whatever. Building audience, whatever, that's not that much. All of the platform have it. Letterbird provides service like Unsplash and Cloudinary to provide optimized images. That's a great point. I don't know if they're gonna later on charge for it or not, but they should. Why not? And if you are using them like to host your own website in your own server using their technology, you can also do that as it's open source. So those are totally legit, and it's a multi-user platform. That's what I love about this platform the most, because it's not always you yourself post all of your contents. There will be team members whom you rely on. So obviously we will be needing some kind of a platform that actually help us to bring our team to the table. So that is totally important thing, I would say. So I really like it, this feature of having multi-user. And then AI enable editor and all, that's totally different thing, whatever. So here you have an overview of how it looks, right? Now wait, let me see if I can give you overview of the admin dashboard as well. I think I have admin demo. Yeah, we have a admin demo over here. Is it taking a little time? I don't know. It's not loaded properly. Yeah, here is the admin dashboard. Here are the posts that are currently here in. I don't know why, why there is too many posts. Those are the posts that we have seen over here as well. Another sunny day. Hmm. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, the pages. Currently, we have one page in here. Yeah, media. I don't know where those media are uploaded, but yeah, somehow we have tags, so you can categorize into tags. That's as well a great thing, to be honest, from my perspective, because yeah, we need to like separate those with tags. I don't know if the tags are why. the tags aren't visible over here, I don't know, but there should be. And if you can integrate all of the things easily, so I also think another thing you can do, that is you can easily implement maybe algolia for searches. I think that is also possible. So yeah, that's about it about this whole site. That's about it about letterpad, because yeah, this is what you are getting in letterpad. So let me know if you guys will like to try it out and switch your blogging platform maybe for some days, or from for one or two or three vlogs. I don't know. Not blogs. So let me know that in the comment section below. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some other great platforms, open source projects like this, please let me know about all of them, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. Bye for now.